ba na ang duplex unit na ito ay zero down payment at zero equity? Yes, you heard it right! No down payment at zero equity ito! Sila lang naman ang nag-o-offer dito sa Cavite na duplex type unit na may car park, semi-complete turnover, extended kitchen with cabinets, complete accessories sa bathroom, spacious living and dining area, provision for 2 to 3 bedrooms, merong insulation foam sa ceiling, at along highway pa, isang sakay lang going to Metro Manila. Accessible ito sa lahat ng kailangan mo, like schools, hospitals, market, malls, simbahan, at iba pa. This is available through Pag-ibig Financing with 9,900 monthly amortization. Kaya naman take this opportunity to invest here in Pagsibol Village, Naik. Kayang-kaya mo na magkaroon ng sariling bahay.